northwest.
Okay, bro. Ready. Bring Siege Hammer. Take in B, then zone here, northeast on the B. Northeast. On
Northeast guys, northeast,
Sandrich
northeast.
left. Zone here.
Dito guys ha, northeast. Supportan.
Mom was asking.
We go Ravine, we go Ravine.
Ruby.
Then straight northeast lang.
Punta kayo sa Steppy. Go Steppy.
Hindi nga! Ay, pag namin na yung papa, hindi pwede ko wala. Oh, yun, dali. Papa mo. Ano? Papa! Ay, hindi pwede. Oo, dali ka.
Mga born out pare. Nakadalawang gold vortex na tayo.
Hindi bukod sayang kada yung King Touch eh. Page 3.
Kasi
Wala
kaupa
mo
ng King Dutch nga
nagkuhan.
days eh.
Sal ba?
Mukhaan mo ni siya.
Wala yan eh.
Kasi sila po. Wala dong gan.
Wala.
We're going Ravine guys, so go make your way sa Ravine. Currently, Zerg nasa Steppy. Sandrip Steppy. Zoning in na sa Mel.
Zone northeast.
Wala yan.
We're gonna regroup at Melt.
Kung baka
Matik
pa
ang
din
house,
nagares,
grabe.
maglaro kayo ni Raya. O, dali. Ayan, si Kuya yan. Laro kami ni Kuya.
Namin sa melt guys sa melt.
Nasaan ang tinapay mo? Ayaw mo?
Melt.
Bakit?
So, gamit ni mo kaya? Mistake.
J.
Kalikutan to permit, you're still here, right?
Lagi
Yes,
mga nato ba yung mga shit happens ba?
Okay. Same thing, tayo pa rin yung scout. Kanina medyo na, ano lang talaga. Proper na tayo ngayon, hopefully walang maglalag.
Dismount ganina ba?
Boys, namatay ko ganina.
Bati kayong
May
dismount ganina.
hinugan ba? Namatay ko na dismount ko sa likod. Bati kayong dismount ay.
Bati.
Ay,
dismount.
wala ako
Lahat
sa
mga
main
dismount
comms
ay
ah. Pakisabi nila kung
That's okay.
kay nanamang gusto sa sunod
okay.
sa zone sa kontra. Kunya,
Kung
We're
meron
here
sa
at our mid-map sa Mel.
nana sila cool game.
Yan, okay.
Kita na
Dito pa kami. And about to
Di na tayo
zone
sure
by
na
maybe
tas-
5 seconds.
Ang
Hold on,
bang, gangbang ko sa likod, ala ka Bombay, upat ka buk ni gangbang na ako, di na ko kaya upat man.
Ay,
Hindi kaya, madam.
Hold lang muna guys.
Kaya ran ako kung si Asking ra kaya ra jud kayo kay
Uy.
May nangka-catch sa gitna.
okay
Ng
ra
Catch.
ano.
Meron nung nagka-catch.
Ang
Ingat yung mga
ako,
nasa
things
dulo.
ra man sad.
Oo, ay nasaan?
Where? What?
Melt.
careful lang, may namatay.
Meron nung one shot, careful
May
guys.
mamatay dito sa ano, base na. Careful.
Lunes.
Oo ba no?
Pero ako marunong lunes.
Kaya na small things na taga importante kay big kako ay.
Huwag kayong mag-join kay kay Ads King. Go join to second party. We're yung party ni Ads King is Billionhood.
kinatch ako po, tangin ng mga to.
Dismounted.
Where? Pink.
Dismounted si
Dismounted
Kaya.
ako, dismounted ako.
One more.
Need help. Dismounted siya, kalikutan.
Where?
Kaya pa sustain.
Ping sa ping.
Ayaw,
May 17.
makakita lang.
Melt? Nasa melt?
Melt. Yeah. Go meet Pat. Can you sustain
We're
kalikutan?
here
Ah,
nasa pink.
I can't.
Going.
Sige, try ko yun.
Ayan,
Okay
nice.
na. Mount up.
Uy!
Okay na.
Ay puta.
Can you kill this guy?
Ay, 1 HP.
Nag-off-road na nga ako, hayop na yan.
Gago, ano tong zone na to? Dead zone?
Ano, mas Gucci yung blazing pa eh.
Ano nagkuha sa ano?
Almost.
Feeling na ko na ay bait dito ba?
Kalikutan, baka maano ka.
Kaya
One shot ka niyan.
Tangin yan, kakilala ko yan, hayop na yan.
Nangarat sila yan. Elevate. Yung sa kay party to gani.
Party 2, sa party 2 par, start inviting people.
Celebrate, pag-start ako ng party 2.
Kaya ako nang join na siya. Join in.
Duha na mong spike ba eh?
Mo lagi.
Wala na ano.
Pero nagkamot na ng celebrate dyan.
Lain na pa yung prospect sila.
Hindi, okay naman na siya. Spike user.
Hindi tapad.
300 na ba yun ng spike na niya?
Yun ba no? Okay.
Pero kay isa naman gid yung isa.
Kaso lang, if na-energy mag-una.
Paano ang kuan ba? Battle Bracer, pwede ra kada.
Kita magbutang og kuando labak.
Abapis. Pangit, abapis eh.
Hindi ba ito na siya purge? Pagbe na siya.
Tayo, doon ka naman kayo sa labas para yun ang lahat sa bawat isa.
Itong Orson pa lang.
Hellfire ka na, Hellfire. Hold.
Or Hellfire, ano, Pranakay switch ba, ano? Tawagan ni, celebrate.
Kiss ako. Hindi, kiss.
Hold siya.
Sisa ng gano'n.
Pussy eater.
Dede, ikaw!
Nahabol namin pussy.
Kay gilid, pati nang gud pagduha atong spike.
Riga, kukuha akong dede. Riga, kukuha akong dede.
Pwede eh.
Mama, may duty ako mamaya. May duty ako?
Wala, hindi ka Earthron ba eh?
Ano yun, sa umaga ulit?
GG.
Na.
Kung alas 2.
4?
Oo.
GG.
Kaka micro na word. Bati, bigay di ka ka ano, nangol-wol mo.
Outpost. GG Jet. Ay, Rambi.
Or kisa yung nag-tikloid eh.
Bay, wala tao dire bay, 05 pa. Start na ko ibonk ni.
Go.
Okay, load. Pabagdaan niyo, country ko.
Yung mga di namatay, mag-reuse na kayo. Yapak. Lahat dito namatay.
Daghang tag namatay ako.
20. Na-wipe out mo siguro ta?
Na-wipe yun.
Wag pa.
Di ata eh. Na-force fight ko ata eh. Kaya ano. Namatiyan tag 83. I need to bawi. Na-wipe mo na ako.
Di, nakamati mo na.
Ipaluwing na crowd.
Trip man.
Yung sa bawi isa, mapagkasal nagbaligya.
Kapag i-ping pero hindi balon para
Dili, ang communication na to asking, wala. Wala yung history.
sulti ba? Wala po ka nung
Ulay naging na. Ay na DC sa likod.
Yung PT1, okay na gyud ato bay.
Siguro,
Halos 51 kayo nakasunod naman.
siguro pag target niya to, nadala po
mga
pagka DC.
sila. Hindi ko kita nila pa dyan.
Apili siguro pagka DC ang ano. Score daw to.
Tingin nga, buti nga pagka-DC, good nga. Apel lang Discord siguro, no? Munang wala
Oo,
nung
score daw to.
Huwag nag-storyas nila.
Kung wala siya na donggan.
Kasada tayo.
kasi blurry, raman tong nakon. Gilagag.
Si Berry ang ano.
Oo,
Dudunggan.
Gilagag.
Patay si Berry.
kasi habot katay na po sa King Dutch. Yo, ato sa target.
Ayun, block lang dire.
Yo, dol naman na.
Death tank,
Masing itong house.
Go!
As unhidder to us. Nang tao lang daw ang kwan.
Surround mo na lang, ano, pepper.
Ano po, ulit?
Di taas mga put.
Actually,
Pagka
stay
60-40,
here in
ano man,
Northwest. Northwest siya.
Northwest.
Then ikaw, ano, kalikutan? Stay sa southwest lang. Southwest ka lang muna. Give them space, makakita lang.
Ate mati
Tell me,
ato
Mer.
kaya. Pero sige lang, nakapatay mo kong tulo.
Wait, andito si... Nag-join si Free Boss.
Ha?
Are you here, Free Boss? Hindi, yung... Vainglory.
Wait, what kay? Ali, magbangfan mo? Or... Nami karon sa Ravine, ay padulong sa Ravine.
Ay, sige kuya. Ikaw na lang fan kuya. Kan Clamper. Yo, full engage 3 to
Wala
1.
siya kasunod dire ha.
Dili,
Dili,
alliance.
same alliance na.
Vainglory. Nanatay alliance ka ni. Kalit mo yan.
Ah, biniglory.
Actually, nag-inform ko sa kuwan. Nag-inform ko sa officials.
Kulang lagi ko gusto ka healer.
Pero wala. Last
Par, kapag aalis kayo sa party par, like, magdidimas na kayo, salita kayo par.
Late
Peter.
na tayo eh. Ay,
Hirap
hindi.
ba?
Ano nakatala?
Ano lang pala. Fix na lang. Kuya Brian. Kuya Rose. Yeah, just kill this guys out. The healer.
may kaano yun.
May hounds pa sa east side. Huling ko rin.
Yo, full engage. 5, 4, 3. Yo, full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop.
Ano plus libo mga kamangitang iba sa Davao.
Taga Davao ka, Liam? Liam?
Tulis ba?
Yo, 5 seconds.
Ano siya?
5,
Ay,
4, 3,
Reha mo magtingog ni Lord. Lord ano?
Well, mount up ka mo just.
Lord Cone.
Wala po ka ng isda. Pa... Stick. Kaya,
Ay, tabaki kos.
kami just guys.
Sa katigano nas. Dili kayo nas. Nakatiit ka, Hammer?
E6 na eh.
Pag sim, magyapon ng damage siya. Tito ka no?
Hindi, nasan dito eh.
Ang gitistingan, mura magyapon.
Sino lang mo?
Doon yung Northwest guys.
Huwag makuha na ito nga tere ba? Ay ano, castle ba?
Ano na Dream House eh, para balas na.
Hindi, namatyan magyapon sila ba eh? Tulo ko napatay sila ha.
Makadelete mo ta? Nakadelete tag ka ng gate.
Yeah.
Green na gini boy, pero sa map, bitaw, naka-blue siya. At ayaw eh.
Sayang ng malunay kasi itong pag-dismount ba, mali ang dismount sa atong kauban. Nag-clamp sila pag-dismount. Hindi na snare charge sila.
Nanat sa kwan, on the crown lagi.
Dapat nga itong style.
Hindi na ito, wala ka mo.
Ayun na, okay lang di. Tayo. Lang, kanay na red.
Sige,
May house?
matay tayo tanong. Matay ka dito.
Ayun na, wala ganun dito. Naratay ka ba na? Naratay ka ba? Tangki pre.
One left tank, go
Sige.
Peppermint. Kung punta ka sa south, actually sa southeast ka.
Okay.
Then, kalikutan.
Oy, may
Stay
kumuha
at
ng
southwest.
outpost sa drive-in end. May kumuha ng outpost sa
Hiniharap ano?
drive-in end.
Pinigawas.
Meron akong kuha sa drive-in end.
Night owl.
Ayun,
Naka...
Ayun na.
Night owl.
Pure ano ta to? Pure... Brawl.
Ilan,
Pure
ilan?
brawl.
Or mas
Roll daw, roll.
Pas, yan.
Brawl sila.
Itang kiyas.
No DA, tier 1 dub.
Tutang ina sa kitas ka.
Ay, itak sa end.
Naka-plate ko ng ano, guards.
Tier 8 sila, tier 8.
Demoralize.
Tier 8 daw. Yung night
Tuloy
owl.
sila, nabira-bira.
Bad trip ka
Ilan
to
ba?
eh. Bad trip ka to eh.
Tier
Ganato eh.
No, D8. Tier 1
Huwag
lab.
man lang naka...
No DA, no DA.
Huwag
Sana?
man lang naka... Patay ba?
May contrast.
Full brawl sila,
Full
full
engage
brawl.
5, 4,
Yung night owl.
2,
Nasa end, nasa end.
Nasa outpost.
Kinukuha yung outpost natin.
Northeast 97, QSNWs, lima.
By the way, map check, saan kayo?
Currently, Rabi.
QSNWs lang, wait lang.
Nasa castle lang kami.
Connect natin dami.
Killing the, ano.
Yo, full engage, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Then if
1.
you zone in sa Ravi, stay at southwest portal. Pag zone in mo talaga sa Ravi of info. Then if you see a Zerg, keep following them. Following them na lang. All the time. Unless I said
Night Owl
to,
nag-zone
ano.
sa Rapi. Ano yung isa lang, scout?
Night Owl, nag-zone in sa Ravi, siya lang.
Scout. Naka-PowerPoint for...
T80 Quib.
Okay.
Ready
32 point, boy. Hindi, nasa ano pa sila?
Oh, darabad, so.
Sa-
Need makagkuat.
One
Windows
Jin,
ito, malito nga
nag-zone, isa lang.
Play ang laban.
Arcane.
1G nag-zone in isa.
Great Arcane.
Great Arcade to.
Kanan na lang.
What tier?
Tier 8.
Easy ba?
Di wala mo kung sila kasi.
DBZ tier 8 equivalent.
DBZ tier 8.
8 or 7? 6.2 tayo. 6.1.
Pang ano, respetaro na to.
Basa ako. Bilikin ako. Pina mga 20 day ita. Isok
Basta
naman
lang
tong
ko.
engage na.
Basta lang ko, pero naiba ako.
Pidiktot ka mga pang-engage na.
Ito yung item no, wala yung
Night Owl,
Nandito
nag-zone in ah.
Oh, never mind. Hindi pala sa fire to the streets.
Night Owl, nag-zone in ah. Sunfall.
Night Owl nag-zone in.
Slowly zoning in sila.
ano na.
Kill in sila.
Ana.
Ano sila dito?
One Jin.
Apat. Bali 5 na kasama yung isa.
5 na daw. Nakapag-zone in.
Kaya, nasa Bisoy. Uy.
Anim, nag-zone in pa yung isa.
6,
Ito.
Wala ko ani kaya kung
7,
No, turo. Turo na pitan. Ulahin
0 to 5 naman yung
Ay,
ano,
gano'n po.
path.
Bigay sila ba?
Ay, patay ako ng mga.
Uyoy, patay si Kalikutan, patay si Madam Pluto,
Ano na sila dito?
Papachulo, Blurry Green, Lord Corny, Alusi.
Tayo Troy.
madami. Sayang din yung ano, 8 ni Dash.
Lola kay si Ramis.
Pongking na sila dito ng kana, ng gate.
Okay na sila, no? Balon eh.
Pongking
South,
na sila.
south. Come south.
Yeah, dito sa
Def tank, go. Come here. Lahat ng def.
Going.
Ang ina Gucci din ano eh. Di ba itiit? Tangoy no. Napaka ng buang. Catch bay. Catch yan yung nakamus oh. Magbubong sa kabila yan. Kabak na. Wag nyo na i-catch yan sa malayo. Magbubong sa north. Ito dito
Fire.
Ang random ng build.
Catch
Night
north.
Owl. Kaya.
Nakabrol sila.
Roll.
They're here at southwest. They dismounted here. Dismounted sila.
South.
Southwest.
Di wanna play ano. Yo, come south.
Dito na sila, no?
Gigop south.
Andyan dito na.
33%. 33%.
33. Sure eh.
Dili, durability sa guild. Guild. I mean, gate.
Biyo. How much?
Oh, see.
Yeah, puti ko.
Ang problema ko dito.
Brawler na sila.
Come back lang ho. Come back. Let them in. Yo, come inside. Come inside. Come inside.
They're going southeast.
Mount up. Wait, saan
Bago,
sila?
may one din dito scout ah.
Dito lang pala. Dismount.
Ba't di ko maklik yung gate?
Yo, free boss. Ito yung fake.
Naka-auto ka?
Wait.
Pwede na ko, napatay glitch ka. Pwede ito mapatay ko yan.
Settings, tapos...
Wala clear toll, no?
Hold on.
Wala clear toll.
Na, makanon siya.
May mga clear toll ba eh? May mga clear toll.
Sino offensive?
May mga clear toll.
Kaya ba offensive? Helio?
Come back. Come inside.
Ah, parse.
Halika, you're still here?
Lagi sila.
You come back. Let them come. Come back northeast.
Offensive ka?
Yeah, come back northeast. Let them walk.
Gabang! Nice!
Di fail.
Yo, give me fake free boss. Shallow lang. Naka. Give me fake. Okay. Come back northeast. On this guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy now. Okay, come back and spide. Come back and spide. Defend. Keep walking in.
Helio node 1.
Nice one.
Helio node.
Keep walking now. Spread, hold.
Helio node 3.
3.
Guardian armor now. Guardian armor.
CD.
Defend.
17 seconds.
You walk in. Southwest step in 5,
Okay.
4,
Hold them ba lang? Hold them.
2, 1. Deep on me. You to me.
Hold.
Brawl now. Keep rolling. Brawl them. Keep rolling now.
Not fucking loot.
Keep rolling now.
Exterminator storm. Fucking.
On me.
God.
East. Come to me on east. Full engage bunny. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage this guy. This is good shit. Okay, bro. Catch.
Nag-mount up na sila.
Par, yung naglulot. God.
Nag-mount down ulit. Nag-mount down.
Dismounted.
Yo, come back inside.
Pioneer.
Ano to? Pioneer. Come back inside.
Pioneer.
Dismount on me. Dismount on the car. Get ready.
Nag-engage.
Shallow. Southwest.
Engage.
Wait. Give me fake.
Na-hold.
Go.
Give me fake. Fake. You're walking. Everyone.
Nice
5.
one.
West. Southwest. 4,
Counter, guys.
3, 2, 1. Shallow engage. Shallow on me. Okay, come back fast. So you're not done shit.
Kapil dito.
Fill them. Come back fast. Spread. Yeah, we don't
Engage ano?
Come back and spread.
Couple head lang ulit.
Okay, Liam.
Peppermint that.
Yo, come back more. Come back Northeast more. Pull them in. Spread here. Spread northeast.
Engage.
Engage.
Fake.
Fake.
Spread now. That's good spread. Oh, wait.
Fake. Nag-fake na sa Spirit Boss ah.
Yeah, serious for that. Yo, come back lang. You two.
Rangers pala to.
Spread here. Okay, counter engage. You wrap around Southwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got fucking clapped.
Helio node 1.
Get on me. Nice one. Spread again. Spread now. Come back.
Kapili ka.
Helio node 3.
Come back. Nice.
3.
Wala tayo napatay, no?
Meron.
Okay. Spread. Come back.
Heal.
Ready for defend? Here.
Papul hill ako.
Come back now. Northeast.
Heal.
They're looking. Come back northeast. Pull them in again.
Ready.
That's it. Yo, wait. Okay.
Fake.
Wait. Yo, we're gonna wrap.
CD.
Ready na, cool down.
16 seconds.
Ready, pop
Ready,
Giga.
okay.
Everything,
Copy,
pop
copy.
everything, Giga. Wait. Just pop Giga and we're gonna go deep. So you're gonna get night armor. Just pop your Giga. Giga.
Engage.
8, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Big at the gate. Putang ina.
Nag-GA ko na.
Okay, come back fast.
Now, Helio node 1.
Come back fast.
I'll drop.
Come back fast.
Helio.
Spread northeast.
Wait. Don't drop.
Keep walking northeast.
3 now. 3.
Fill them. Yo, spread.
Nandrop pa na.
Guardian armor now.
We walk with them.
Full
Move with
health.
them, drop them.
Full
Get
health.
ready to defend here. Get ready to defend here. You look at the southeast. East deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. You spread now.
Spread. Heal you node. Ready.
I have
Yo,
vision.
yun na.
Wait. Heal you node.
Come northeast.
Ayun na.
No. Come northeast. Just come northeast.
Wait. Hold it up. Defensive muna. Defensive.
Enemy please.
Come northeast. Play with me. Come to me. Come back northeast. Come inside. Wala tayong mortar dyan. We need mortar. To ano dyan. Come inside.
Careful.
Come inside. Come middle. Get ready. Help the front. Yo.
Careful.
Heal the southeast.
Deep.
Setting kayo. Mamamatay sila.
Nawa ka ng GE ba?
Yo, get ready. Full engage here. Nag-engage. Tell me.
They engage.
Southeast deep in 5, 4,
Hold namin.
2, 1. Choke now. Hindi kayo lumabas. Set out. Yo, walk in. Come back again.
Heal you node.
Careful lang, careful dito ba?
Tunaw.
Come back again. Yo, just kick lagi.
Okay. Ready 3. Ready lang 3.
Sige.
Come inside. Okay, come. We're gonna play slowly.
6 minutes. 6 minutes.
They're going out. No. They're just holding.
Nagra-wrap around sila.
Ate ko ka-record.
Nagmamount.
They're wrapping around.
Hindi ako giga pots mo. Pwede mo.
Nagmount papunta ng northeast.
They mounted up.
Going north.
Going northeast.
Northeast sila. Northeast daw.
Ready.
Nasa northeast na sila.
Giga pots so you don't get night armor.
Northwest lang, northwest. Yeah. Karto.
Ay, putik.
Mount.
Or late lang reaction.
DC ako.
Laban, this match. Uy, tuktok naman eh.
Yeah, sila na. Muna doon.
Same. Careful.
Level 6 sila.
Disconnected.
Meron na DDC ha. Wait lang.
Kasi 3 boss.
Disconnected.
53 seconds. 50 seconds.
Okay.
Yo, get ready.
Stay still ha.
30 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now.
Connecting.
Come back. Get
Ready.
Fully fan eh. Okay, come back.
Broken. Careful.
Come back. Keep walking. Spread down. Southwest.
Spread. Ready. Heal you node.
Defend.
Defensive.
Walking deep. Roll them. 5 seconds. Roll them. Yung shallow engage. At the gate. 5. After J. 4, 3. Shallow. 2, 1. On the gate now. No. Nice one. Now keep spread.
Now, heal you node. Ready na ba?
Come back inside.
16 seconds.
Nice.
16 seconds. Okay, cap.
Come back inside.
I'm ready pala.
Spread again. You took
Ready na ako.
Spread again. Come back.
10 seconds defensive.
Come back more. And
Defensive 3.
Counter
You back.
Counter engage.
Not yet.
Kalikutan.
Okay.
Pulder mo nga depth tank. CD mo depth tank, CD.
Yeah, come back. I need heal and hold on my Can someone
Fake.
You do it, careful. Defensive.
They will engage ha. Careful.
Asking, pull down sa inyo heal unod.
We're ready.
Pull them more. They're gonna engage. Looking, Liam is looking. That's engage. Wait. No, that's fake. We're gonna do counter engage shallow lang We're gonna hit.
Ready pop your defensive.
We're gonna headbutt them. Okay, get ready.
Asking offensive ba yun Headbutt.
Come back more.
Namatay siya, di kayo, no?
Guys, yung color nyo, nandito sa likod Be on my back. Spread. We're gonna let them engage first, then we go.
Nakaang GA Drea kay Karo kay Drea o.
Yo, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Okay, come back. You don't
Heal you node.
Come back again. You don't need to J, guys.
Careful. It's a fake.
Pwede, come back.
Careful guys
Wala pa.
Inching.
Come back now. Nice holder. Come back. Yo, careful. Yo, 3 boss.
Careful,
Give me
Nabuts.
fake, walk in. Give me
12
fake now.
seconds.
Ay, come back fast. We're gonna do headbutt. Ready?
3 minutes.
You gonna die, mate? Heal asking?
I drop my heal unod ha.
3 minutes.
Ready, second heal unod. Ready lang.
Wait. Come inside. Come southwest. Come inside. Come southwest, southwest on me, southwest on me. Come inside day, come inside day, come inside day. Para easy lang mag-def yung def
Wag mo kasi masyadong deep pa, wag masyadong deep.
More choke.
Pressure sila, oh. Hindi sila masunod ang Ritso.
Takot na yan, par.
Pull them in.
Kill nila itong damage, boy.
They're at
I'm-
Okay,
northwest, northwest.
come out again. They're at northwest.
Bonking.
Bilaw na ito doon.
Yo, hit the gate lang ha.
I'll stand by.
Side by side.
3,
City.
2, 1, at the gate only. Okay, come back fast. Defend. Get ready.
Nice,
Okay,
Jay.
come back.
Nakadrop ako ng first Hillion. Ready second.
Okay, spread southeast now.
Ready second side gauge nila.
Spread southeast. They look now. Spread. Don't be scared. Okay, hold.
They fake na si Remus nag-fake.
Yeah, after boss, I'm gonna call you. Tama, siya.
On scout.
Sino scout? Ay, sino?
Stick too deep.
Sounds northeast.
Ilang, 1 minute. Yes, balloon eh.
Yo, get ready, follow you. Pag-hit siya, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, at the gate now. Hit the gate now. More damage.
Ready Hillion to. Ready.
Come back.
Okay, pop.
I'm going to fake
Now
pala.
Hillion 2 now.
Papi, 2.
Come back fast.
Drop.
Counter engage again.
I'm low, I'm
again.
low.
Okay. Copy ka.
Papi, pwede ka sa taas, Papi.
Hound, careful.
16 seconds.
Eh, careful.
Okay,
And
copy ka.
14 sa...
Palikutan, are you ready?
Sige, autistic.
Ready na ba tayo?
Engage na.
Balloon eh.
Okay, So, cool down ka na lahat.
Okay, everyone come southeast and zone.
Yeah.
Chimin sila.
Click gate southeast. Autistic, come inside.
Papiti ako.
Except ka nga,
Okay,
except.
hold on me. You're too far. Hold on me.
Balloon eh. Dre, sa kabang
Ano?
balloon eh.
Palikutan. Hindi kita
So,
makita.
nga si Liam.
Ito.
Want to engage GA?
Yo, get ready. You engage. Wait.
Katabi mo ako.
Mag-block ka lang.
Where are you? Asan ka ba?
Yeah. After engage you, Jay.
Ayan, sorry.
Hindi, let me engage you. Defend me, game for.
Ano daw? VC daw, VC.
Pwede ba
Yo, hit
mag-join?
the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now,
Ready,
hit the
Hillion na,
gate.
ready.
Come back fast, Jay.
I will drop.
Nice.
I'll drop.
Spread. Come back inside. Come south.
Ready second. Ready second.
Come south.
Disconnect the gate.
Spread south. It's open down. Yung screenshot. Come southwest.
Screenshot. Screenshot.
Come
You have the goal.
west. Spread. Yes, nice.
Dito.
They're bonking.
Pakilot ko sa inyo.
Okay, spread. Yo, I'm gonna fake ha. Yo, wait lang.
Wait
Come
lang.
back south more. Come back south more.
Hindi ko magluto. Okay, pag-heal rin yung kulang kong healer.
Sige.
Yo, I'm gonna fake at the gate. Get ready. Walk in. I'm gonna faking. Okay, come back fast. Yo, look at shallow in 5. Salva.
Deep up.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow engage now. Defend also. Come back now.
Nice,
Defend.
football.
Now, Hillion out. Can you drop?
Come inside.
Drop.
Okay, nice.
Wala kong ito ka-ebay. Estimation.
Nice defensive. Fucking good.
Come inside.
Wala, sa'yo papatay sulis ah.
Wala.
Back na ako.
Defend.
Engage.
Walking.
Ano, matay ka?
Give me fake, Salva. Nice.
Jay,
Fine.
Jay,
Get ready at the gate. Keep walking north. Giga. North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Hit the gate now.
Tingnan ko yun.
Come back fast.
Ready, Hillion out daw.
Come back fast.
Hillion out daw.
Come back fast. Come inside. Get ready. Lian is looking. Come inside.
Nag-kill yun ako.
Come inside again. They're looking.
Okay, copy.
Hindi mo sanay low cost ba eh. Pwede mo mga...
GA sila.
Keep going. Yo, defend me. Defend me. Yo, everyone, walking at the gate. North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Putay na. Clean this shit. Heal me. I need heals. Come back.
Heal baludi guys. Heal baludi.
Can you ready defensive ba?
Come back inside. Come back
12
inside.
seconds.
Defensive, anyone?
Balik ako.
10
10 seconds, okay.
Seconds, yeah.
Level 8 na eh.
Heal.
Yan,
Heal.
dumadami. Level 6 lang yan kanina.
Come back inside. Come back south.
Pilot, sila
Take
Play inside, balloon.
Come back south. Wait lang south. Come back lang.
Don't
Yo, wait.
Liam, too deep.
Fake now. Walking,
Pahit.
everyone, walking. Big up, get ready.
Nag-engage
North
sila,
in 5,
nag-engage sila.
4,
Copy.
3, 2, 1 on the cannon.
Namuntik na ako dun. Fine.
Change shit, more damage. Okay, come back fast.
Ready.
Can you drop heal
You got the healers there.
Drop.
Come back fast.
CD.
Kyushin was inside. What are you doing?
CD, okay.
Yo, careful. They're looking.
Engage yan na.
Careful. Spread now.
Nagkaroon ako sa likod.
Your two lang punta choke. Get back. Get back more.
Ibang range DPS.
They got pressure, bro.
Yo, I'm gonna fake walking. Okay, come back now. Okay, hit shallow to the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow at the gate now. Very nice. Come back fast. Tangina. Nice.
Liam side.
Walk out now. Kill them. You one shot on me. Kill this guy. Go north. On me. Hellfire 73.
Go loading.
On the ping.
Nako.
You need to mount up. He's gonna mount soon. He's mounting up.
Oy, 7.3.
Wala. He's running.
Nako. Habulan lang ng isa. Sabi mo habulan ng ano. Ziza, patya na Ziza.
Nice one.
We're gonna
Guys,
die, bro.
Huli ka.
We're gonna die, bro.
Nice.
Rush.
Atras doon.
Ito ba?
Suicide.
Behind.
Oh, ina, daog pa
Careful lang, may ispuglap pa sa kabila. Sa top na yan.
Spread ka.
Piyansa na po kayong manjin, bye.
Sana pa kay si Liam, bay. Basta si Liam, gina-goaler, bay. Butaw kayo.
Ano, hindi ko kalak.
Wipe na boss asking.
Yeah,
Okay
white
na?
na.
Okay.
Maglunggo. Sa taas lang.
Good fight guys.
Maganda yung laban. Good.
Come back.
Magaling yung DPS, magaling.
Let's go.
May nakaluto itong first.
Bangi ko, B. Kuhan ka na.
Sabi ko yung isang member nila par. GG but again. GG but again. Napili na po sila balik.
Galit. Bay, katuluan na, bay. Katuluan.
Bilis, ayaw kay padaga na. Puta, di ko padaga eh.
Look na.
Second down. Yeah, 161 yun. Di ko kalakaw.
Trivik kami.
May kalame.
No, Pepper, di ka na umabot.
Look na. Justin.
Ang layo kasi.
Bad.
Nag-save portal ako, hindi pa rin abot. Layo.
Sige lang, okay lang. Ano, Pep? Ang
Ano
yung
na
defensive natin
Wala
par.
kay bag.
Hold.
It's yung good defensive talaga. Si Kalimutan, nag-ibig sila. Sayang.
Kayo, goods na, guys.
We can't, like, properly drop.
Everyone,